Have you recently earned a trade? Are you unemployed? Or are you simply looking for a career change? Want to do this? Or this? Or this? Then go to JobsToBuild.com or scan this QR code to get your career in residential construction started. Registration and Jobs to Build is fast and easy. Start by hitting the Job Seeker registration button at the top, enter your name, fill out the required fields, and hit the Register button at the bottom. Next, enter the job you want. You can choose from jobs like HVAC mechanics and installers, carpenter, electrician, and plumber. Fill out the required fields and choose whether or not you want employers to find you. Add a brief summary about your career aspirations or something that sets you apart. Showcase your experience by entering your employment history and your education. And be sure to add your skills. Adding your skills will allow Jobs to Build to find the best fit for you faster. We are finding people great jobs in residential construction in as little as 1 day. Once you fill out this page, your profile will be all set up. You will have a brand new resume that you can download, and you can begin to explore the amazing opportunities only Jobs to Build has to offer, all at no cost to you. Get started today.